Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your speaker EDIFIER D32 using application. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the last line we have factory settings. Tap at this line, and then you need to click at the slider near to it and confirm. After that we need to reconnect the speaker with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pairing device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth like on iOS, or just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, because right now on iOS 26 it doesn't work to go back and return. We need to turn on and turn off the Bluetooth. Turn off and turn on. Okay, after factory reset, this speaker entered to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap at your speaker at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!